Do you concur that Tesla actually remains at the highest point of the EV? As additional customary automakers shift to assembling EVs in a ton of EV organizations, Fire Up Tesla certainly has a ton of rivalry. Still, many accept that Tesla stays to be the main EV organization shark. Tank's Kevin O'Leary says Tesla digital truck has a truly monstrous look, yet sees excellence in its potential edges. It's astonishing how lovely and revolting can be placed in similar sentence, yet checks out Kevin O'Leary prominently respects Tesla and its chief Elon Musk even last year. Many individuals dropped Tesla like a hot potato due to Musk's muddled Twitter obtaining. He anticipated Musk's $44 billion proposal to secure Twitter will go through even before the deal was finished, and that it'll wind up going in support of Musk. I have watched Musk perpetually, and I think this person is Teflon Man, O'Leary said, and he can clearly perform multiple tasks. I bet on him in this arrangement when everything is over. I believe he will have a decent result. O'Leary anticipated that Musk will win. To be sure, expect responsibility for once the residue settles, saying he figures the Tesla chief will further develop the virtual entertainment stage's client experience considerably once in control. At the time Twitter was falling behind, O'Leary guaranteed that numerous clients don't routinely post on it any longer. And with the ascent of video content on different stages, its horrible fame, it's a horrendous. There's timization. Leary said, I utilize the stage as well. I take a gander at the measurements versus all the others, including TikTok and LinkedIn and Instagram and Facebook. It's the most terrible as far as receiving your message out. O'Leary shared how he thought Musk is overpaying by 40. In the arrangement, yet added that the swelled number may be worth the effort over the long haul. By possessing Twitter, Musk could capitalize on his leverage and prominence on the stage to monetarily benefit his different organizations like Tesla and SpaceX. Tesla is the main vehicle organization on Earth that doesn't pay anything on publicizing. O'Leary said he promoted it on the rear of Twitter and other web-based entertainment stages. Not very many individuals get to claim their own unregulated organization work in mid-May of this current year. O'Leary Adventures. Administrator Kevin O'Leary joined Yahoo Finance Live episode 2. Examine Elon Musk remarks from Tesla's investor meeting. Tesla digital truck discharge, remote work, the financial emergency, and business land difficulties. When gotten some information about what makes Tesla in a superior situation to exploit latest things, O'Leary expressed that in each quarter there's dependably the hypothesis by the market that opposition will dissolve edges contest, will disintegrate share contest, will slow development, but that has not occurred by him. There is no organization yet that changed to the viability and proficiency and efficiency Tesla has around the drivetrain, the motor chipsets and batteries. So there's an engine around Tesla since it was the principal mover. Yet they've kept up with their portion through development. O'Leary said everyone condemned this person for 1,000. There are unique reasons yet by the day's end when you inquire as to whether you need to purchase an EV. What do they need? They need a Tesla. So GM hasn't accompanied anything. Anyone needs Porsche, hasn't gotten it done at this point. I'm not saying they will not yet. It hasn't occurred. At this point, the O'Leary's Endeavor executive further shared that while these unbelievable automakers are creating the progress and making up for lost time to Tesla as quick as they can, Tesla has acquired share and discounted the cost. They're getting more forceful. They're bringing the truck, said O'Leary. I don't see a terrible story here, and it's reflected in the stock in spite of the fact that it's an unstable stock yet. Assuming he's colloquialism, there's headwinds monetarily, universally. That is a similar climate for each organization, regardless of whether they're in the EV market. O'Leary additionally highlighted one thing that makes Tesla separated from said unbelievable automakers. What they have that no other person has is a 100 spotlight on EV. They're not managing heritage motors of any sort. Thus, you'll have a substantially more proficient use and a significantly more useful organization discussing the eagerly awaited Tesla digital truck, as would be considered normal to be delivered in the not so distant future, and has grabbed the world's eye with 1.5 million orders set as of early May. O'Leary shared his conviction that Tesla digital truck is setting the electric vehicle creator up for one more large change in its fortunes. It will be a blast since that insane-looking vehicle has proactively shown its ubiquity on pre-orders for a very long time, O'Leary told her Finance Alive. It's an extremely fascinating It has a truly appalling look. Revolting is fascinating. And, frankly, with you, I have interests in suppliers that are giving innovation to that truck. And we realize the interest is gigantic. He added the plan might be giving an out of the world appearance, yet that could be positive in general for its creation. Productivity curve contribute head of venture examination and institutional techniques. Tasha Keeney said the vehicle is the most misconstrued vehicle delivered that Tesla has had. In the Yahoo Finance live fragment, Keeney said this is a truly virtuoso plan. It's significantly more practical, dissimilar to some other vehicle we've seen out there. And from a stylish premise, the circular segment contribute leader further expressed, yet truly in light of the fact that they're, utilizing one piece of material. They're not utilizing paint. It will be much more savvy and simpler to create for them, since we realize that the paint shop, to some degree, a stifle point for throughput in an auto processing plant. Tesla chief Elon Musk expects the hotly anticipated digital truck will hit large-scale manufacturing in 2023. He has promoted that orders crossed 250 in the main 7-day stretch of accessibility. However, media reports gauge the complete number of reservations is more than 1.5 million for the model. The quantity of orders got may convert into added edge for the car producer, as per O'Leary. He said, the one thing I truly like about the story that I advanced yesterday in general Elon thing, the edges on this truck could be extremely high worry. This will be on the ground, that they've had such a lot of effectiveness in assembling costs since they declared the truck. They're most likely getting, 10 to 12% more edge on that thing, regardless of first quarter conveyance, missed the gouge year to date investor returns. Tesla stock has been one of the best 10 SP 500 entertainers this year. When the organization held its yearly investor meeting in Austin in mid-May, Musk said Tesla isn't resistant to the worldwide monetary climate. That affirmation is critical for the EV creator, as it presently can't seem to uncover the value for its truck with a shape as unpredictable as its go-to-advertise methodology. As long as the digital truck's cost is cutthroat with those of pickup trucks, as of now out and about, the vehicle might well offer Tesla a fruitful initial introduction to the car class without forfeiting requests. Saw by stores, I simply don't think the vehicle is definitely standing out for the virtuoso expense elements here, particularly when individuals are remarking that they're stressed over request cost activity for electric vehicles. Keeney said, you realize this is a car that permits Tesla to get extraordinary edges and to have the option to charge appealing costs, contrasted with opposition examiners have been sounding out the potential volumeless Cybertruck can provide for Tesla. Future Finance's Gary Dark sees the send-off of digital truck in the not-so-distant future as a major impetus for Tesla. The asset director expects convey series of this EV pickup truck to be in the scope of 200 units in 2024, adding 40 pennies for each offer in profit, while numerous experts actually are sharing why the Tesla digital truck is a yes or a no. There have been 1.5 million orders put as of early May. This essentially implies that many individuals basically need to claim Tesla's eagerly awaited new vehicle as a matter of fact. As soon as May 2021, Choose Journey revealed that the digital truck had arrived at 1 million pre-orders as per a tracker they utilized, with the number going up to 1.25 million by August 2021 and 1.3 million by November 2021. It is important to note that anyone can place a reservation for the Tesla Cybertruck by paying a 100 fully refundable deposit, which is far from an illegally binding agreement. As a result, the 1.6 million pre-orders at the time cannot be assimilated into confirmed orders. However, even if 10% of the claimed reservations materialize into actual orders, it is still very strong demand for a vehicle that lacks pricing information and specifications. Before the expected startup production, make sure to subscribe for more foreign